funny, and it's everybody's favorite day of the week. The day of the week when we ask ourselves, does this thing really work? And today I have a sticker that is supposed to trick your brain. And it also sounds like something that we tested out a couple of years ago. Do you guys remember the Right cup? I almost said the Smart cup, but that's something else entirely. They were these little plastic cups with like different colored rims. They were supposed to trick you into a healthier lifestyle because you're supposed to fill the cups with water, and then each different colored cup had a different smell slash flavor. And so as you drink the water, you're supposed to smell the flavor, and then your brain is supposed to put two and two together, and then you think you're tasting like grape flavored water. I didn't have too much success with those a million years ago. I don't even know if they still exist anymore, honestly. Anyway, that was then. This is now. This product is called Tasty Tabs. And instead of being an entire cup, these are little stickers to trick your brain. And I think that there's 6 different flavors, and these flavors sounded wild. They showed the product being used in a couple of different ways on drinks like White Claw to enhance or change the flavor, which was kind of an odd suggestion to me because I've never had like a White Claw or anything, but I thought that those came with flavors included already. So I thought I would test it on my favorite brand of water, which is Liquid Death. And I use this water in my videos all the time, and people always think that it's a different kind of drink, but it's not. So this is the mountain water version. That's what I always drink. This is not sponsored. They have sponsored me before. I love them. Seriously, I drink so many cans of this every single day. Let's go ahead and cut open the package and see what the different flavors are, because I think one was like blueberry muffin or something, but I honestly ordered these a while ago and now I just don't remember. Also, who remembers these? My funky scissors. Oh, I forgot what these are called. I think these are called like the Right shears. The Right cup, the Right shears. So let's cut this open. Oh my gosh! Look at what's inside. It looks like there's nothing. 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 chemicals, which is pretty funny because it's like a sticker. So obviously you're ingesting nothing, so there wouldn't be any calories or carbs. These first flavors are strawberry and vanilla, and they show like a picture of a birthday cake. And anytime I think of anything that's vanilla scented, I think that it's gonna smell like MAC lipsticks, but that's just me. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of strawberry and vanilla. Did they mess my order up? It was supposed to be like a variety pack. I thought I was gonna have 6 things, but I'm like 6 stickers deep and it's still just strawberry and vanilla. What on earth? Strawberry and vanilla. Finally, something different. Oh no, I'm scared they only gave me 2 flavors. Or 4 flavors. 2 different kinds of stickers. I'm gonna look at this. This is so weird. Okay, and then the next pages are margarita and blueberry muffin. I really thought there was supposed to be 6 different flavors. Maybe they ran out and then just didn't tell me. Suddenly today's video is gonna be really short. Okay, let me see. There's one other thing. Nope, it's just like a logo sticker, which honestly, their logo is pretty cute. Tasty Tabs. So either I'm having a moment or they've changed their website, because when I bought this product, they had at least 3 different listings to purchase from. Like, I think you could just select like single flavors, like you could get all strawberry, all vanilla, whatever, or you could get like a couple of different variety packs. But now this is literally the only listing that they have, which is the Tasty Tabs 8-pack scratch and sips. They just have the strawberry, vanilla, margarita, blueberry muffin. And I don't know if people are like not liking these or if this is just some kind of like sale or something, because they were supposed to be $10 and now they're on sale. They're like half off. They're like $4.99. Ages 21 and up for a sticker. sticker? Why? I guess it just depends on like what you put it on, but obviously it's like alcohol-free, gluten-free. I don't even know why they'd have to specify that because it's a sticker. You're not gonna eat the sticker, I guess, unless you're really, really hungry. Let's try the margarita blueberry muffin first. Honestly, I just love margarita scented things, like the margarita hand soap and air freshener is like always one of my favorites at Bath & Body Works. So let's go ahead and test that one first. Let's give it a scratch. Oh my gosh. That's interesting. Okay, as I'm scratching it, are all scratch and sniff stickers, are all scratch and sniff stickers like this? And I've just never noticed until now, but like as I'm scratching it, it starts to feel like a liquid or something. Does that make sense? Like the sticker is oily now. That's what I'm trying to say. So honestly though, as I was just scratching it, the scent is so strong, it started to like waft up into my, aren't nasal passages called olfactory senses? Isn't that what a scent is called? I don't know. The smell is pretty strong because I'm smelling it already after just brief scratching. I'm gonna go ahead and try that one first. I thought I was gonna scratch them all, but maybe it makes more sense to just do them like one at a time so that like the smell doesn't get confused or my brain doesn't get confused. My brain is tricked already. Time to open up my can of water and the sound of refreshment. I actually don't know if I've made it through this entire video yet without telling you guys how the product works, but because the name is Tasty Tab, that's what you do is you wrap these stickers around the tab of your can. Are they called tabs everywhere? The little like silver thing that you open the can with? Let me know if it's called something different. Up close sticker peeling action. Let's affix the tab to the can. Can you guys see anything I'm doing? Okay, here we go. Hopefully this works because this is a pretty creative idea and I feel like this would be a lot easier to use than a plastic cup that I think you had to wash by hand. It wasn't even like you could put it in the dishwasher. Cheers to you, Swamp Fam. Let's... It's definitely a strong scent. I feel like the sticker is like almost touching my nose. Maybe I bent it up a little bit too much. Let's take another sip. Yeah, you guys, I don't know. Can my brain just not be tricked? Because I'm definitely smelling the margarita smell, although I have to say, at least up close to my nose, it smells a little bit more like pine sol than lemon lime. Because isn't pine sol... I almost asked, isn't pine sol? Doesn't that smell like pine? Hello? It kind of, for whatever reason, has a pine scent. Is there something wrong with my brain? Yeah, I feel like I'm sort of having the same experience that I did with the cups. It's like I am smelling the smell, but nothing tastes any different to me. It still just tastes like water. Like I'm not like, ooh, lemon lime. Plus, like, wouldn't it just be lemon and lime and not like margarita, right? Okay, one more sip and then we're moving on to the next flavor. Yeah, so I just tried to do that thing there where I'm trying to like breathe through my nose at the same time that I'm drinking, which almost feels a little dangerous. Almost feels like I'm gonna just like inhale my water, but I don't know. Okay, let's move off of margarita and try the next flavor, which I think is blueberry muffin, and that honestly sounds a little strange. Woo! Okay, the one thing I can say for these is like once you stick them on there, they are practically stuck on there. It's even stuck to my finger right now. Goodbye. Let's go ahead and do the scratch test first and see if it smells like blueberry muffin. I feel like they're getting a little creative with their scents here because like margarita, why not just lemon and lime or lemon and lime or lemon and lime? What am I trying to say? Lemon or lime separately. Isn't margarita just lime? I know nothing. And that's the same as like this blueberry muffin. Am I really gonna taste the muffin or just the blueberry? Only my nose will know. Okay, I almost like scratched too much. Oh, interesting. There definitely is something different about this flavor. It does not just smell like plain blueberries. There's definitely like another scent note there. And it does smell like baked goods. And I'm just gonna say something else dumb. Like, I can't really think like off the tip of my brain what muffin smells like. Let's trick my brain. Bottoms up. Definitely a strong scent, but I don't think that I can say that it translates to taste. I don't know. This one definitely has like a nostalgic throwback essence to it. It really does smell like ye old scratch and sniff stickers, so I'm really enjoying that. I mean, obviously the product is called Tasty Tabs, so they are implying that you're meant to be tasting something, and I just don't know that I can say I'm having that experience. Products like this, I just literally never really want to give a negative review to, because I do really appreciate the innovation. I think it's a fun product, and I definitely feel like if you had this at like a party, people would definitely be intrigued and they would want to try it. I feel like it's like one of those things that would be a conversation starter where everybody at the party would be like, oh, I can taste it. I can only smell it. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of feel like to that extent, this would be a fun product to have. Let's do strawberry. I think that maybe this is gonna be the most intense scent. I feel like strawberry is like one of those really kind of artificially flavors or scents to begin with. Sometimes flavors too. Like sometimes strawberry flavored things, they taste like really fake strawberry. It's kind of like bananas, you know? Like sometimes banana candy tastes like not real bananas, but like super strong, like a super strong, more flavored than actual bananas. Does that make sense? Like a fake banana candy tastes more like banana than a real banana does. I don't know. Okay. I feel like strawberry is the same thing. Oh, yeah, this is definitely like a really old strawberry scratch and sniff sticker from the 90s. Whew, this one is like super intense. Strawberry. Let's taste the strawberry. I'm excited for this one. I know one of them is gonna work, right? We're gonna have a different experience this time, doing the same thing and expecting different results. Ugh. Yeah, still just tastes like water, but this is definitely the most intense smell. Can't say flavor, smell. I mean, you can see they're definitely going for like, oh, it's like super flavored because they keep saying like, no calories, gluten-free. One more sip. Okay, I feel like I've really mastered the inhale while you drink. One left. I'm most excited to see, is this gonna smell like MAC lipsticks? So this is the vanilla, and it'll be interesting to see if this has a vanilla cake flavor like the picture on the sticker is implying, or is it just gonna be pure vanilla scented? So, wow, I thought that strawberry and vanilla would be the strongest of the scents, but this one is actually the weakest so far. Ugh. An anticlimactic ending. I almost feel like this one has so little smell to it that it's kind of silly for me to even test it out at all. Which, you know what? I'm just gonna put that there. I am gonna get a different vanilla because maybe it was just that one. Maybe it didn't get enough scent on it that day at the scent factory. We're gonna try another one and see if this one is smellier. So this one is a little bit stronger, but still comparatively, I feel like to the other three flavors, this is the least scented. One last flavor to go. Okay, this is kind of weird result, unexpected ending here. I almost said I don't know if it's because this is like the most traditional food flavor. I feel like they're all pretty common sense, except for blueberry muffin. I feel like that's kind of like an out of the box scent. I don't know why, but I want to say that this one actually tricked my brain the most. And maybe it is because it's just a more subtle scent that maybe for whatever reason, this one is able to trick my brain the most, which is definitely like the exact opposite effect that I expected. Like, I would think that the ones that are super smelly would also give me the most flavor, but yeah, I'm gonna test it one last time. That's so weird. Would you guys expect that? Also, it does kind of, the closer it gets to my nose, I feel like the scent becomes stronger, and it also weirdly smells slash tastes like perfume, like a vanilla perfume. So they cost 31 cents a piece. Personally, from my standpoint, if I was having a party and I just wanted something fun and different to have there, that, like I said, I feel like at the very least it would be an amazing, fun conversation starter, then yeah, I would definitely grab these. I feel like people would have a lot of fun with that. Now, do I think it's like super tricking my brain and that it would like encourage me to drink more water? I was somebody that liked to put flavoring in my water. I don't think that this product is a substitute for that. Like, if you like to put in like the little Crystal Light or the Kool-Aid or something like that to make your water really flavored, this is not going to be a replacement for that, unfortunately, because I obviously feel like if you could just get one of these products that really works to make your brain think you're drinking a flavor that's not there, then obviously I feel like that would be a healthier option perhaps than like the Kool-Aid or the Crystal Light or something, because I guarantee you those have like sugar or calories or like other things. I don't know everybody's like dietary requirements, but you know, obviously if you can just drink just plain water, that's probably like the healthiest beverage option that you can possibly choose. Unfortunately, I don't think it's like a complete flavor replacement, but I do think it's fun, and I think it's a great conversation starter, and I definitely don't regret this purchase. So I'm kind of on the fence with this one about, do I want to say, does it really work or not? I think it's fun, I think it's engaging, but I don't necessarily know that it makes my tab tasty. I don't know that my brain is tricked, and I don't really know that I'm tasting a flavor. So that's my 2 cents, and I would love to hear from you guys down below. Have you tested products like this? Did you get the right cup either? Do you feel like you get any results with these products? Do you feel like your brain is tricked? Let me know everything that you're thinking in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. And until I see you guys again, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Fam today, and I'll be back again very, very soon. But I love you guys so much, and thank y'all very much for watching. Bye!